This is a safe cut manual can opener. It cuts into what they call the can's double seam. It leaves no sharp edges. The cutting blade will not touch the food, and you can even sit the lid back on a partially used can and stick it in the refrigerator. This is a conventional side of can opener. It pushes into the side of the can just below the double seam. I stopped using it when I wound up with a metal sliver in my tomato paste one day. Other times I had to pick pieces of the paper labels out. Plus, always having to wash it because the wheel was poking into my food made it rusty. Turning the knob forwards clamps the can. Turning the knob backwards releases the can. Now let's open the can. Turn back, release the can, and off comes the lid. You can also sit the lid perfectly back on. This is really good, and there's no metal slivers either.